Ever dropped your favorite device and watched the screen shatter into a spiderweb of despair? Or maybe the touch just gave up the ghost, leaving you with a beautiful but unresponsive brick. It's a common tragedy, and often the thought of a costly professional repair or buying a new device makes your wallet wince. But what if there was a way to bring your beloved tech back from the brink, with a display that looks and feels like new? That's where the LCD screen replacement, LBL-CHSDT006-01A00, complete with its integrated touchpads, steps in. This isn't just any generic replacement. It's designed to restore your device's visual fidelity and interactive capabilities. Upon installation, which, let's be honest, can be a bit daunting for the uninitiated, the LBL-CHSDT006-01A00 truly shines. The display quality is remarkably close to the original. Colors pop with a vibrant accuracy that makes photos and videos a joy to behold again. Brightness levels are consistent, ensuring readability even in varied lighting conditions, which is a huge relief after squinting at a cracked or dim screen. But a beautiful screen is only half the battle. The integrated touchpads are where the real magic happens for interaction. From the moment a finger glides across the surface, the responsiveness is immediate and precise. There are no frustrating dead zones or laggy inputs. Every tap, swipe, and pinch registers exactly as intended. It feels fluid, natural, and completely restores that intuitive connection you had with your device before its unfortunate accident. One of the most critical aspects of any replacement part is its fit and finish. The LBL-CHSDT006-01A00 aligns perfectly within the device's frame, suggesting a high level of manufacturing precision. The connectors feel robust, snapping into place without excessive force or fiddling, which is a small but significant detail that reduces repair anxiety. It feels sturdy, not flimsy, giving confidence that this isn't a temporary fix but a genuine restoration. There's a genuine satisfaction that comes from successfully reviving a device, and this replacement screen makes that journey much smoother. It saves you from the expense of a new gadget and gives your existing one a new lease on life. It's not just about fixing a broken screen, it's about reclaiming the full functionality and enjoyment of your tech. For anyone facing the dilemma of a damaged display or unresponsive touch, the LCD screen replacement, LBL-CHSDT006-01A00, with its integrated touchpads, offers an impressive, high-quality solution that truly brings devices back to their prime.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.